Hey guys, me and Alice are back with another episode of WTF. Woo!
Roll credits.
Right, 2 more episodes to go. I'm currently just in the lead.
4.5.
Only just.
To 3.5.
If you haven't caught up with the rest of the series, make sure you click the playlist linked above.
Yeah.
Series 1 is also on
And
there
as you can tell, it's Christmas themed from here until the finale.
Woo! Well, it's been the past 2 weeks as well.
Yeah, it's like you're on a roller coaster. Is this video a roller coaster for you? You're just constantly whooping and making all sorts of noise in my ear. It's hurting after a full day.
Roller coaster of winning and winning
Kate's
and losing.
emotions. Right, let's get into this. That's enough.
Oh, no. What's that?
Yeah. Oh, there's nothing in here apart from this, which says, "Hello, Kate and Alex. We want to start by congratulating Kate for winning last week's challenge, the WTF Gingerbread House Challenge. You both constructed pretty good structures, but Kate just edged the public vote."
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was pretty, unlike mine.
As you know, Christmas is literally around the corner, and here at WTF, we need to start counting down. And what better way to do it than our very
it's the 12
own
days of Christmas.
Advent calendar. You literally got that. That's right, this week you are taking part in the WTF 12 Surprises of Christmas Challenge.
As you can see in front of you, there are 12 red cups. Under each cup lies a food.
The challenge is simple. Take it in turns to pick a cup. To win a point, you must eat the food that is under it. No!
Hey, this is a bit like something we've done before.
As you'll be aware of by now, not everything under these cups will be too desirable. As always, most points at the end win.
If the scores are tied after all 12 cups have been turned over, it will be a draw.
How far are you willing to go to win? Good luck, guys, the WTF team.
I can't afford a draw because that will mean I'm still a point behind. So to level up, I have to win.
You have to win today's challenge.
And then, because if it was a draw, then that means the finale would be a draw. And then at the end of the finale, there'd have to be a really big tie break.
Should we do rock, paper, scissors to start?
No. Hey Google, roll a 12-sided dice.
Coming right up. You rolled a 10.
Yes.
Hey Google, roll me a 12-sided dice.
Okay. You got a 1.
Hey, I finally won one.
So do you want to go first or second? But with this one, I kind of feel like...
So on this one, do we go in order?
No, any.
Oh, you can pick any. I'm going to man up, and I'm going to go first.
Go on then. No,
I'm going to go
for
lucky number 7, right in the middle.
Now is it lucky? Here we go.
I love these cups, by the way. Little
They're
Father
so
Christmas
good.
outfit. Here we go. 3, 2,
Straight
1.
up. Oh.
And lucky number 7 strikes again. Do I have to eat all of them? Oh, please don't make me eat them all.
I'll have one if you want. Oh no, they're reindeer poo.
Oh, they taste like
Bob's
poo.
poo.
Looks like he's going to do
Matt caught some bombs.
Oh, I'm not sure I can finish the last 3.
I'm gonna go on the 12th day of Christmas. Matt gave to me mince pie, but
You
for
don't
me,
like mince pies.
I don't actually like mince pies.
But I'm sure you can eat it.
I can, yeah. Cheers, my fan whip.
Cheers. As I gave you a Rolo, are you going to give me a bite of it?
You know what, like, I love...
This is the spirit of Christmas, sharing.
Yeah. I love the crust, the pastry, and that flavour when it gets onto the pastry, but sometimes it's just... Sultanas aren't that nice. I add orange into mine, white chocolate, of course.
I do like the orangey ones. Who was it last year? Waitrose.
Do I have to eat it all?
Yeah. Was it Waitrose who...
Are you serious?
Yeah. I'll have another bite.
Yes, please.
Who was it last year who had the really nice orange infused ones? Was that
I
Waitrose?
think so. Aldi had good ones, didn't it?
You finish that and that's it done.
No. Unfair. It's meant to be a good one. I don't actually like mince pies.
No, but it's all perspective. I might like eating hot peppers, chilies, and you don't. So you're such a drama queen. Shove it in your mouth and just get going.
Shove it in your pie hole.
I'm gonna go for
Not bad, that one.
4.
Oh, I'm gonna do that.
Oh, it is a hot pepper again. Is it the same one as last time?
I almost did 4. I can feel like you're getting flushed.
No, because I want to do it. Can I take less than last time?
Yeah, you're the one who said half. A bit more than that. That will do. Oh, wow.
This is how strong my desire for win is. Unless it's going to come on strong, it's not as bad as last
Yeah,
time.
because it wasn't as bad at first, because you were like, oh, it's all right.
Oh, but that's what I mean. It seems still okay. Whew. You know when like the actual build up to something is worse than it was? Yeah, it is quite strong now. But it's not getting as progressively worse as it was last time. So.
If you haven't watched, what was it? What's Under the Cup or something?
Yeah, What's Under the Cup.
If you haven't watched that yet, go watch that artist video because what a trooper you were.
Yeah.
And Alex was like, how much shall I bite? Like half of it. I was going to say a quarter, and he literally went for it.
Matt chose the things, and he wasn't here, and I just thought it was a pepper. I didn't think it was a chilli.
And I was like, I swear the more wrinkly it is, the spicier it is.
Right, your go. This has been very sportsmanly so far. What's this? This is new.
What the heck is that?
Let's have a sniff.
Oh my word, is that balsamic vinegar?
Let's have a sniff. That's a shot of balsam. Cheers.
Is this allowed? Am I going to be ill?
No.
I can't do shots as it is.
Well, balsamic,
Can I sip it?
Balsamic vinegar is I would go in one if I were you.
Whoa!
What's
Oh,
the
I
other
feel
one?
lightheaded. Wow, that's tart. Good thing is I like balsamic vinegar. God, this is strong.
I'm going to do the rest
I
of mine.
can't do it as one.
Oh, really?
I literally can't.
I'm going to get some water then while you do that.
Am I allowed to like drink in
Can I
between?
try?
Yeah.
Wow, that is tart. I think you should knock that back though. As the Geordies of Geordie Shore would say, neck it.
That's literally... No, because what will happen is I'll put it in my mouth and then I won't be able to swallow it and I'll be like...
I can feel it like go all the way down my throat. Right, shall I...
You crack on.
I reckon you've done
I will
that.
be able to do this. Oh! We're both going to be smelling great tonight, aren't we?
Yeah, good job we're not leaving the house. So, one clove. Honestly, on this one, I'm not sure I can do it. I'm going to step up to the plate like I'm going to do it. I can take the skin off, yeah?
Yeah.
And then that all horrible bit at the end.
Yep, skin in it. Do you want to choose a bigger bit than that?
What do you mean?
You picked like the chunkiest
No,
bit
these
of
are
garlic.
all massive. Look at them.
Oh my word, there's usually a little baby one.
There's no baby one in this lot.
Oh my word, that's massive.
I don't think I can do this. I just don't think I can do this.
I don't know if you can as well. I'll just say sip of them.
I think that might be my limit.
You did an onion. Just whatever you do, if you're gonna be. I could tell that was like a gag open the mouth. You're like.
The problem is I'm struggling to bite down on it.
Yeah. I'm struggling to keep this down.
Ready? Okay.
I don't think I can watch. The gagging motion makes
Because
me
it's taken so long to open that, I feel like it's really built up.
If you'd have just.
What the Oh, no, it's disgusting.
And it's bad that you now have garlic in your mouth.
That... I can still taste that. That is disgusting.
I'm gonna have a sip of my balsamic if you want. It might cut it through. Cut through the
I think it
taste.
might be the only thing that will.
I'm so glad you didn't get that. Not because it's more the fact that I can now have a buffer.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my word. Speak to me. I can really smell that. Okay, I'm going. 3, 2, 1. Brussels sprouts. But raw. Do I have to eat all 3?
I think so.
All 3?
I just had to bite into garlic.
Yeah, one
okay,
of them.
fine. The biggest one.
The biggest one. Okay, is that dirty? Oh my word. It's like eating
Like
a
I'm
shoe.
in cabbage. That's weird, isn't it? Shall I go for one? gonna go this end.
Oh, lucky for you.
What's that?
Awful for me. That's Christmas
Oh, I should have
pudding.
left it for you then. Is this the stuff that's been burnt? That makes it a bit harder. Yeah. We've been quite doable otherwise.
My turn.
Yeah.
I might try
Yeah?
this.
Because I've done 3, 4. Yeah, you're next. Cheers, thanks for that. I've only been cooked for only 40 seconds, not 5 minutes, but beggars can't be choosers.
Are you happy with that being done?
I was happy after the first sip, but
Do you know what? I thought that Brussels sprout was going to be okay raw, but actually that was harder than I thought.
yeah, it's foul, isn't it?
Here goes. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my word, what's that?
Soil.
It does look like soil.
That's literally soil.
It's a blast from the past. Remember when you ate that before?
No, that
With
was
the cake.
Series 1, episode
Was that
1.
that was the very first episode,
very
wasn't it?
first episode. Is this allowed?
You said that last time when you did it.
How
And so
much
did
do I have to eat?
I reckon just that clump there.
That clump.
Yeah.
Oh my word.
You don't have to do it.
I'm on ahead. I'm doing it.
You're just sort of sneak thief. You're going to be grainy for days now. Like when you go to the beach and you get sand everywhere.
I can't believe I just did that.
Yeah, disgusting.
I'm just praying that that soil has not had Bobble Pea's
Urine on.
leg cocked on it. Oh my word.
I think I'm going to
I can't believe I did that.
Well done, Kate. That really
I'm
is
proud
it
of
to win.
myself. In it to win it. Oh, turmeric. Turmeric. What's the right word?
Turmeric.
I wouldn't be able to do
Turmeric. How much are we saying on
that.
turmeric?
About the same amount of soil I had.
Okay. You had less soil than that.
No, I did. I had a clump.
Yeah, that was smaller
That's fine.
than
I'll give you that.
Right. I've got a little quarter, almost teaspoon of turmeric.
My like bowels are.
I don't know how best to eat this.
Is it going to be like the cinnamon challenge?
Yeah, because
Powder.
was it powder and I chucked it. It's
like
like coated
went
the
to
back of
your-
my throat.
I saw it like going right to the back. Look at me, you've got like a yellow tongue and teeth. You even just licked the spoon.
Oh, I didn't think there was any point leaving any. It's good for you.
I'm just hoping these ones are going to be nice now. I just don't know how I can do it. There's 3 left.
Just open your mouth and.
How many have you
twist
got
them.
left to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I've got
Yeah.
what? You've got what? And I've got 2, haven't I? 3, unlucky for some. Hopefully lucky for me.
I thought it was 13.
No, 3.
I feel like I've got a constant like weird face now from that.
3, 2, 1.
Not again.
We meet again.
You and the ging. We're only saying about that in a recent video, weren't we?
I literally don't think I can do this.
Really?
I don't. I'm just hoping. I'm 1 ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just hoping if you do that one, I can do my next one
Okay.
better than this.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't do that. It defeated me in the first series. It's defeating me again.
I think I could slightly do that more than garlic, but it's still not going to be a good
think?
experience.
Shall we lift up at the same time? So you pick the
Oh,
one.
yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
I reckon 1 is good,
And
1 is bad.
I'm hoping one's good.
This makes it slightly awkward, but ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh my word. Is that sriracha?
Oh yeah, it could be actually. I thought it was just tomato ketchup.
Oh my word. But still, I couldn't have done the ginger.
Brad man.
No. The ginger.
Oh,
Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I do this, it's a draw. How much of this do I have to have?
the whole shot.
No. No. A quarter teaspoon.
No, that's totally different.
Oh. Oh.
I think you need a good glug.
I'm gonna be dying. I'm a coma.
Well, you don't have to do it, remember?
Is sriracha really spicy?
Yeah.
Can I do 2 little gulps?
I don't think that's a gulp.
I'm just getting a taste.
What do you reckon?
Spicy.
Do you reckon you can do any more?
Is it going to get hotter or is it just going to stay the same?
I think it's probably going to get hotter. You get more of it on your lips than you're already getting in your mouth. At least you won't have to wear lipstick for a while.
I literally don't think I can do that. If can I have it on a teaspoon so I know how much?
Yeah.
So like that?
Yeah, I reckon so.
That's a lot.
Why are you putting it back in? You just put some back in. We agreed on the amount.
Hardly any. I was just cleaning the spoon.
Okay, fine. It's not going to make it any cooler if you do that.
Can I have it on a gingerbread man?
No.
I just don't know if it's worth it. I've done like half of it, haven't I?
Really skimming it off the top there.
Eating just a normal condiment off of a teaspoon is not like... My tongue is literally burning. I'm sweating.
We'll have to tell Matt if he gets anything hot in future, he should buy us a tub of
Ben & Jerry's.
Ben & Jerry's.
Now the fact that it's a condiment is like creeping me out.
You're almost there. I think this is your last go.
Like as I breathe out, it's really spicy.
This is it. This is your go. There you go. Oh no.
Excuse my ugly eating. It's painful. That all right?
It's painful to watch. Yeah, that's fine. I have to say, congratulations, Kate. Your competitiveness has really shown this time. Very good, very good. I feel like we're slightly even now. I don't think Sriracha's as hot as a...
But you can take more pain than me.
Yeah,
I'm going to have to get some milk. I feel sick.
You feel like you're going to cry.
A few people in the comments said bread is really good if you have something spicy. It's just ongoing on my tongue.
Yeah.
I feel like a load of little like spicy ants are like,
It's like you think one's gone, but another one starts again. Well done, Kate. Okay, really chugging that.
Palms are sweaty. What is that?
Yeah, M&M.
Oh my word, it's getting worse.
But you've done it now. So that's all that matters. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 each. So that's another draw. So that...
Been draw. After all that, I worked myself into like, oh my word, it's hotter as I speak. My tongue feels numb.
Really?
I wonder if this means, oh my word, the more I speak, my tongue is literally becoming numb.
Yeah, because you are a calmer. That's why.
I wonder if this, oh my word, what my life decisions are not good.
Is that how badly you wanted to win?
I wonder it. Well, I didn't even win, I drew. I feel like a new woman.
Really?
I'm proud of myself.
Like a phoenix burning from the ashes?
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, you say it was only a draw, but it wasn't. It means you've kept your lead.
Okay.
So that's good. We're going into the final episode now, 5-4.
5-4.
So we're back into round numbers. If I'm going to win the final, I'm going to have to win, and then we have to do the tie-break. We've never had one of those before, so that'll be exciting.
Yeah, very exciting. Right, did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it.
I've got to wrap this up because I need some milk. I enjoyed that until the sriracha. Actually, no, I didn't really enjoy that. No, I still enjoyed it, but woo, my mouth is burning. We hope you enjoyed that. Why don't you play this game along with your friends and your family?
Because it hurts.
Because it's painful, but it's funny to watch other people eat spicy things, isn't it? Anyway, we'll see you next week for the season finale. Bye, guys.
See ya.